Hello everyone. Welcome back to the another episode of Thoughtful Leaders and initiative under Thoughts on Education by CollegeDunia.com. College Dunia is one of the India's leading educational portals catering to students, parents, and education industry players who are seeking information on exams, cutoffs, students' reviews, or applying to colleges. Thoughts on Education initiative is to enrich the user experience at CollegeDunia.com and try to bridge the long due gap between the vision of the top management and the students and parents today. Today, we have with us Mr. Vasant Dinkar, Mr. Vasant Dinkar Mistry, sir, founder and managing director at Suvidya Institute of Technology and Accent Techno Solutions Private Limited. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
I would like to begin by enlightening our audience with a brief introduction of you.
If I tell you about me, I started working in this industry from 1984, and after that I did my engineering. I did IIT from piping engineering, then I did masters from UK. I did the offshore training from Qatar Petrochemical. So along with working as per the need of the work, I started learning. This is one difference what I am doing. Whatever I was learning, that I was implementing in the colleges. And then after, because society helped me to grow and to come to Mumbai and to learn further, then I have decided, if company is giving job to me, then why I am not giving job to the others? And this particular thought started driving me. And this gave me opportunity to see the many countries also. And after coming back, then I started first Accent Techno Solution, where we design the real project. Now, while doing real project, we were knowing the exact need of the work. And now, every fresh engineer we were training on project, then we thought that if we train the engineers before taking on project, then we will save a huge time. Also, it will be the contribution to the society in strengthening people, and that engineer will be used on project by multiple companies also. So then the Suvidya Institute started in 2002, where we designed the training program exactly as per the need of work, where it is actual rehearsal of working, and our first batch, some few students was recruited by Acre Solution, and that company, by seeing the performance of the student, gave us first corporate training. Then with that reference, even Reliance gave us corporate training, and now spread globally. We trained almost 39 nationalities. So this is what we are doing in Suvidya Institute of Technology, and in Accent also we are designing the international project. So this is what we are managing, where training will be used actually while working. That's the model the SIT has developed.
Yeah, okay, sir. So I was just giving you the introductions of you to our audience, I can say. So, audience, Mr. Vasant sir is the founder and MD at Suvidya Institute of Technology and Accent Techno Solutions Private Limited. He has membership in various organizations like Petron member of Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, then American Society of Mechanical Engineers, then Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, then Indian Chemical Council, and Confederation of Indian Industry. Along with the mechanical engineering, he has done a master's in oil and gas from Liverpool University, London, piping engineering from IIT Mumbai, HSC offshore training from Qatar Petrochemical, ultrasonic testing training program from American Society of Mechanical Engineers, and accelerated reading program in NLP India. So once again, welcome to our show, sir.
Thank you.
So now, beginning with the interview, sir, my first question to you is being the managing director of the Suvidya Institute of Technology and Accent Technology, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Leadership is like what I personally feel is if we can make some better professional, then we can say that we are leading our job. Because today we need people or the engineer, those who will handle project by their hand. Because we are in industry 4, the speed is like anything. There is no time available to train engineers on the project. Now, when there is no time available on training on project, then everyone has to prepare before working on the project. And that actually is driving the industry. So we need people to drive the industry. And that type of leadership, everyone actually need to handle. And I will also say that first, now the responsibility every individual has to take. Means every student, every engineer has to take the responsibility of leading their career and need to mold according to the need instead of our own company. This is what one is very important in today's industry and at least next 3 to 5 years industry.
Yeah. So being moving ahead to the next question, sir. Being the managing director of Suvidha Institute of Technology, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your institute?
Administration and first marketing, let me explain. We are having almost zero marketing. All the publicity is mouth publicity. See, first is we are not the teachers or we are not the trainers. We are all working engineers. We design the project by our own hand. Our engineering team is giving some time for training the engineers, those who come out of colleges and those who join SIT. So there we are doing rehearsal of actual working. So after completion of the project, which are taken into training, then that every engineer has to work on the project. This is what the requirement is. Now, marketing is not required if the work is done authentically. We don't give any hi-fi commitment in SIT. We say, we will create path for you. Are you ready to walk on that path? If yes, join SIT, or there are many institutes available outside. Because Suvidha is actually private limited company, is not even an institute, where engineers train engineers to enhance the skill as per actual working for at least next 3 to 5 years, and for strengthening the company, which is strengthening our nation.
So this leads to me the next third question, sir. How does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice for the industry?
Okay. Again, one more. The SIT is not a college.
Yeah.
It's a private limited company. Because there we are actually designing one small project during training. Only real project we cannot disturb. So we have separate premises for them. Because real projects are under pressure. There we cannot give a reason that 8 hours are over or 10 hours are over. In this corona, we were having huge workload. Every day we were working till 12 o'clock. That's the workload in the project. So we have separate premises. And our working is, we have designed one training program for each discipline of the engineering. The main departments are the process engineering for chemical engineer. For mechanical engineers, there is a piping, process equipment design, MEP, and HVA. Then civil structure, all RCC related structures and steel structure related structure for supporting pipe, equipment, foundations, roads, dike walls around the tank. All everything is covered in civil and structural. Then there is the electrical, complete plant, refinery, electrical distribution from receiving electricity or generating electricity to the distributor. Then automation. Now today's plants are fully automated. So instrumentation engineer plays very important role in automation. Telecom, connecting the different companies or different refineries or different locations. And along with that, the additional is we need to know project management that is covered in every of the training program. Then safety, health, safety and environment, because plant, the person should be very safe. Then the procurement, we need to purchase different type of materials. Then inspection and testing, we should know how to accept the material, that is inspection and testing. Then logistics, heavy equipment transport is not a joke. So we need specialized equipment. The equipment of 1000 ton, 1500 ton taking on the road, what the capacity of bridge, what is the capacity of road, that everything need to check. So that is one very specialized department. After that, erection of this equipment, heavy equipment lifting and installation. Then piping connectivity between the equipment for transportation of fluids and gases, liquids and gases. Also, the commissioning of the system, that is individual equipment also and entire plant, and then hand over to the client, and then operating and maintenance. So this much area we are taking care, means we are taking care of design, procurement, construction, inspection, testing, operating, maintenance, logistics for all discipline of the engineering department. So this is as per whatever is happening in that department, that is converted into training. Based on that, small projects are designed, and that projects are designed into training program. And along with that, interviews are taken of the learners, because sometimes by remembering, question writing is very easy. So here we are taking surprise interview of this, and that also is considered as the assessment. So that helps them to crack interview in the company, because that builds confidence. At least they can face the interview. This is what the intention is.
Okay. So moving ahead to the next question, sir. Any insights into how your institute could be more welcoming to the students from the different economic backgrounds?
Okay. See, economy is not a problem. That is not a problem. We will help them at many levels. There are the banks available. Many financial supports are available. But the main important is the gut feeling of the participant who is taking up this type of training program. What we say when the student engineers come to the SIT, are you ready to follow each and every instruction happily? Are you ready to give your 100%? What you are thinking at least for next 5 years? Whatever you are thinking of next 5 years, if it is possible to achieve, are you ready to walk on this path? If the person says yes, I am ready to mold according to the industry, in that I will not see my comfort, then we say yes, join this. They work day and night, many of the students, and definitely those who take efforts, they are definitely getting benefit, because ultimately what is required, this is very important in interview. What we speak in interview, that matters a lot. Now how that will reflect while speaking, whatever we do study, whatever we listen, that makes our thinking style. Our thinking style is increasing reading skill. Our reading speed is increasing speaking speed. Our speaking speed is increasing writing speed. So we write the aptitude test very fast. We speak in interview confidently. And whatever is required for interview, that is recorded in the brain. Basically, we do work of writing brain than writing notebook. Because written notebook is not used in the interview, not allowed to use in the interview. Mobiles are not allowed to use in the interview. So, whatever is there, that should reflect from here. And those who are ready to take pain for their own life, building their own career, they are most welcome to the SIT. This is what I will say. And once the person join here, then if the person is too good, then we also have company who will lose the good manpower. Second, we design project. So we have contacts in the company. But we are not going to say that this is the student who did the completion of training program. So you take. But if that person is having skill, definitely that name is there in the brain. So we say like, yes, we have good suitable person for you. So take this. The advantage is we design the project. So we also recruit manpower. Second, we have good contacts in the company. So company recruit, plus we train the corporate. See, if SIT can train the defense, that is one of the sufficient example people to understand it. Second, SIT is only the first recognized institute from the Industrial Training Board of United Kingdom, UK. Okay. Then we are under MSME. Rest already you have explained, so I am not repeating that. But the ultimate, whatever the environment, whatever the facilities are available, we want people, those who are ready to take advantage of it. Don't who accept only say that I'm going to do this training program, you give me job. Such jobs are not available with us. Those we see the skill, for them jobs are available. It might take 1, 2, 3, 4 months, that is different. But the person who is molding himself or herself according to the industry, for them jobs are there. For that, we also will support, because our first, second, third, fourth batch student, our alumni, now they are managers. They are working in the industry. And all over the world companies, our students are working. So database collection is very easy. So providing support, we will support engineers if engineers are ready to support their own vision. Yes. This is what finally I will say.
So now moving ahead to the next question, sir. What do you think should be like Suvidya's top priority for over the next 10 years?
See, Suvidya's top priority is to improve the skills exactly as per the current need. Whatever we are doing today, how we will do it better tomorrow, that only will be our focus. And accordingly, we are improving quality. Otherwise, Suvidya would have gone internationally now. Many of them are contacting us for accreditation. Okay. We are not telling no, but we are not even taking initiative at many places because we want quality. See, when my personal feeling says that we will not play with any of the career, means will not play with any of the career. If we will do something in our life, then we'll only support the career, provided the participants are ready to support their vision. because it is not one-sided. Today, the best learners are required than best trainers. This is what situation demand. Today's situation demand.
Yeah. So moving ahead to the next question, sir. What would you like people to know about your institute that they may not know?
I will say only one thing. Those who are keen in building their career, those who are ready to mold according to need, keeping the own comfort aside, for that every person will support. And if they are understanding this, then the frustration will be less, because today is what expectations are very high. Many students come to us, they say, I will take admission if you give guarantee of the job. The guarantee of job is not possible in this world.
Yes.
Okay? So we say, you are not at this right place. Interview you have to give. Will create path for you. As I said, many options, right? We are in the industry. Almost 39 nationalities we have reached. Our alumni are the managers. We do corporate training globally. So many top management we know. So supporting anyone is not a big deal. Provided the engineer should be of the contributor. They should start working on the project. That is what it is. So if they are understanding this fact that interviews I am going to give, I have to speak in front of interviewer and I have to mold myself according to that, then everything will be easy. And this is what the SIT's vision is. SIT will support society at all the levels.
Yeah. So now let me ask the question for the day. Sir, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
The suggestion is, when anyone is taking admission in the engineering, my suggestion, first 2 years they are understanding the concept of engineering, because from 12th standard they are going to the engineering. So they take little time to understand. But along with that, if Saturday, Sunday or in the evening, if they work anywhere in nearest workshop, then they will get at least feel of that. Now, once they come to know the industry, they should finalize where they want to work, whether they want to work in their hometown or they want to work anywhere globally. Anywhere globally, no need to think of industry, because then any type of industry is available. But if somebody wants to work in their hometown, then that person should identify type of industry available nearby. Then, once industry is identified, which industry is there nearby, what type of project they are doing, that person should identify. And with that project, if they join SIT or any issue rather, then, and if the skills are enhanced exactly as per the project that industry is doing, then getting job will be very easy. Because we need to study as per the industry where we are going to work. That specific knowledge is required. This is what I will say. So identify hometown, identify industry, identify department, and then give 100% enhanced skill and work in the industry. Very simple it is.
So thank you so much, sir. This was certainly an insightful session. So everyone, this was Mr. Vasant Mestri, sir, Director at Suvidya Institute of Technology, on the episode of Thoughtful Leaders, an initiative under Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. Thank you very much, sir, for giving us your time, speaking to us amidst your busy schedule. we look forward to interact with you again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and we wish all the engineering students to have a most bright future. Thank you.